Hello friends, this is Farooq Qureshi, one of the admin of a famous Facebook page, Aircraft Maintenance Engineering. My other partner who actually created this Facebook page is Moaz Daya from Jordan. After about creating 10 years of this page, we have come up with the idea of creating a YouTube channel. Here our prime focus will be to give a clear understanding of technical terms and concepts of aircraft maintenance in the very simple and basic ways. Newcomers in aircraft maintenance will be the community which will be benefited most from this YouTube channel. We have come up with this idea as the fact that mechanics who later become aircraft engineers do have some misconceptions at the very beginning of their careers. What I have seen is that this misconception continues throughout their career and has an impact on their professional growth. Sometimes mechanics do come to realize that they do have a problem in understanding some technical term or technical concept. Sometimes they try getting help online and they try to correct themselves, but the problem persists. The truth is sometimes out of shyness they are too shy to share their ideas with or to consult their problem with their colleagues and their peers. So we will be focusing that area. If you feel you have a misunderstanding of some technical concept, you can email us on the email address that is on your screen, and we will try to come up with a video of the most common problem, and we will try to explain it in the very basic and simple terms so that you could benefit. So stay blessed, stay safe, stay employed, and do subscribe our channel, that is Aircraft Maintenance Engineering. We will come up with more updates. Thank you very much. Bye for now.